understanding about teachable machine. Now I am going to explain AI and AI machine. So here I am demonstrated to explain here object detection using a teachable machine platform, Google platform. Here it is available on Google platform. We have to get start here. There are three subparts. First is image project, second is audio project, and third one is post project. Here we will discuss only image project here. In this we have to touch this. There are two columns here. You have to take two objects. You may take any one of object. Here I am taking two objects. First is duster and second one is pen. So in first class we have to write here. So we will write here pen. Then after that we come here and we have to click on different pictures from different angles. So I think it is enough. So on to the next part. In class 7 we will take duster. So we have to write here duster. So we have to train our model. So we will click here. Almost it is done. Then we proceed further. So here we will show the objects, which two objects we already here given. So we will show duster. You can see here the duster percentage is 100%. Okay, let me show another pen. Okay. Here you see the pen percentage is 93 approx 100%. So it is totally means detect the pen and duster. So it's the correct now. Thank you.